We are moving as a team. So don't mind me that I'm a tall guy. I might even call you to come and lead us. Most times, ladies do always because I love their spirit. Their morale is always high at 10 over 10. Yeah. So,
I'm going to have to look at these steps here. These are... Ah! Okay, that's okay.
I want us to notice the atmospheric conditions as we are coming in. There's the mango forest where we have.
Go ahead, because you seem like you want to go in front.
Those animals.
Am I walking too slow? Oh my God. This right here, I feel like is high enough. I'm like, what have I got myself into? I know, I'm like looking down. But this is beautiful though. And I forgot my spray.
Make it slow so that we'll be hearing what you're saying.
I know.
Hey, look at monkey. Look at
Where?
monkey.
Where?
Look at monkey.
Where? Oh, there it is. Oh, there it is.
Oh my God. Jesus. Look at two monkey.
Uh-oh.
Hi. Hi, monkey. Look at another one. Yeah. Oh, Jesus. Hi. Go. Hi.
That's the thing. That's the idea.
No, I don't want to
That's
know
the
me.
idea.
Don't push either. No, just go around, please, because I can't deal with it. I don't want to be left alone. I don't want to play no more. Come here. But now I don't want to be by myself. Y'all got me by myself. Stop. Don't leave me by myself. Don't leave me by myself. That is unfair. You left me by myself. You just went. And everybody's just going and leaving me by myself. It's just a monkey. I don't want him to get in my hair and start pulling my braids. Oh my God. All right. I'm back to normal, everybody. It's beautiful out here, though.
Slow it down a little, okay?
Yeah, all right. Okay. Yeah. You're walking too fast, especially on this board. Is this all board? Like this? Boy. I got a treat.
Did you be done there when I was touching you?
What? No. Oh, no, I think so. I don't know because then everybody was like getting in front of me trying to leave me and stuff. And I'm up here by myself and the thing might attack me. I'm like, oh my God, y'all leaving me. Ooh. It's very difficult to walk this. This is not your girl from another world. I was supposed to say my handle in the beginning, but hey, we're at the Lekki Conservation, so they got plenty animals here, crocodiles, monkeys, I guess birds, flowers, all type of stuff. What?
Tortoise.
I don't know what that is. Tortoise?
Yeah.
Oh, they got tortoises here, you said? Ooh. Oh, okay. I've seen those in Seychelles. They're in Seychelles a lot. Oof. Maybe I should take a picture. Okay. I'll be back. I'm out. But I'll video again. Bye.